Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20-volt cordless multifunctional router from Parkside performance model PMFAP 20LIB2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, compatible with all X20V Team Series rechargeable batteries. With a brushless motor, extra long life due to less wear and tear. With no load rotation speed from 10,000 to 30,000 RPM, tool holder 6 and 8 mm, max routing depth 35 mm, max lift height 40 mm. Only on wood, accessories included with a huge 5 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. I like the case. Plastic and metal hinges. The manual. Another manual here. Plenty of accessories. Wow. So here you can have your charger at this position. If you want to use the fast charger 4.5 amps or the regular charger, I am using the regular charger. That's how you will have a longer lifespan of your battery. But if you are working more often with the batteries, then you can use the 4.5 amps. You can have the 4 ampere hours performance battery here, and if you want, another battery here. Yes, you can close. 8 ampere hours performance battery. Now in the box we have a 6 router bit set with an adapter. Definitely I will use one of these. The extension nozzle for routing module, transparent. Extraction nozzle for edge routing module, transparent in that. The parallel fence with a screw you can adjust. The edge routing module, and here you can adjust. In both sides we have screws from 0 to 30 degrees. Here it is 30 degrees or 45 degrees. Tight it very well. The setting screw and the nut. And here we have another routing module with a handle. The dial for fine routing depth adjustment here. Unscrew. And you can make the adjustments. Up and down. Small adjustments. You can use in the step stop from 5, 10, 15, 20 or 25. The base plate, plastic and metal, and here you can tie it. The clamping lever, and here. Nice, good construction, brushless. And of course we have and pre-installed another one. You can see here you can adjust the settings. And of course you can remove this transparent module. You can install the extraction nozzle for edge routing module. Hold it with one screw here. Connect your vacuum. The same thing you can install in this for your vacuum. And here release the clamp. You can install that inside, and then you can make the adjustments. Nice. Same in here, you can install that here. It locks. And of course you need to make adjustments from here and from here. And here it is the spindle locking button. It locks. And you can install one of these bits. You can remove the adapter and install this adapter. Smaller. And then you can use one of these. No, a smaller. This is the larger. And again use the spindle lock. And tight it. Perfect. And here we have the controls. The speed selection, safety lock, on-off button, and the speed settings from 1 to 6. For amber-hour battery, it doesn't work. Press the safety switch, it is on. You can choose the speed. 1. And 6 is the maximum. Safety switch. You need to press for 2 seconds. So let's give it a test, see how it works. Wow, I like it. It looks amazing, very durable and robust. High quality manufacturing. The features that stand out to me are the freedom of a cordless design, the precision of the cuts and the versatility of having multiple routing applications in one tool. If you love woodworking but hate being restricted by a short power cable, this multi-router will be a revelation. As part of the performance line, its brushless motor provides the same torque and smooth cutting performance as a traditional corded router, while offering total wireless freedom. The plunge and trim bases can be swapped in seconds, making this one of the most versatile and affordable precision woodworking tools on the market today. Only 60 euros. If you found this review helpful, please like it, subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive updates on more tool reviews, woodworking projects and workshop content. Thanks for watching, keep building, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.